So again, 3, 2, 1. Not bad. It is at 70. So fabric trial 1 is 70 centimeters. Let's do it again. Again, not bad. Let's say this one's 67. Now I need to set up the other one, which is the sandpaper. Now I'll let you know, I fully expect this to go pretty far. And when I get to the table, if my hypothesis or prediction is correct, I'm gonna have to make this, I'm gonna have to clear some space. So let's just give this a try. Just maybe as a trial run initially, unless it actually works out. And let's hope that it stays on the sandpaper and doesn't leave the sandpaper. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. I did. Let's try it one more time and hope that it stays on the sandpaper. All right, because obviously that should be part of the constants. 1, 2, 3. There we go. It did. It hit the side. And maybe slowed it down just a touch. I'm not going to lie, but we made it all the way to 80. Looks like 89. So sandpaper was 89 centimeters. Again, I do understand that force of hitting. All right, this is take 2 for the sandpaper. You can see for the first one, I initially got 89, but it did hit the ruler. So actually, I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to try it again. And I'm going to hope that this time I've made my track longer, even though you can't see it with the sandpaper. So my hope is it actually stays on the entire time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I got another ruler down here to check. Now it did hit the ruler yet again, but it's about 105 centimeters. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it stayed on. All right, this one is 111 centimeters. All right, the last one is a table. I know this is going to go far without sandpaper or without fabric. Last trial, this is the friction experiment, but on a nice smooth table with no debris. Let me just make sure I've cleared all debris out of there. All right, again, let's hold it from the top. 3, 2, 1, drop. Not bad, not bad. This one went around 115 centimeters. Let's drop it again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it hit the wall. Got to do it again. 3, 2, 1. One more time. It keeps hitting that wall. Let me move it a little over here. 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right, that's a good one right there. That's about 123 centimeters. All right, so now is the time to take the average of these two trials, because you always should try something more than once in an experiment, just to prove that it actually is what you think the results are going to be. Don't want to say that the trial 1 is going to be always the correct answer. So the way we're going to take the average is a math little activity. We're going to add these two numbers, and because we had two trials, we're going to divide by 2. So we're going to add 70 and 67, and that should give me 137. And then because we had two trials, we're going to divide that number by 2. Now the same for this one. 105 plus 111 is going to put me at 216 divided by 2. And this last one is going to put me at 238 divided by 2. All right, so now we just have to do a little bit of math to figure out these answers. All right, yes, I'm pulling out the calculator. Divided by 2. So this was 68.5 centimeters was the average that it would travel. And you could have tried always more than 2 trials, but that's what we did. Divided by 2. This one is 108 centimeters as an average, and the last one at 238 divided by 2 makes it 119 centimeters as an average. I hope that with this data right here, you can kind of make a conclusion as far as which material allowed the car to travel the furthest, and then you're going to have to make a statement on why that is for your conclusion. Always say why that happened, not just the answer. The answer is in a sense the result, but why did that happen? It should be part of your conclusion. All right.